Welcome back everyone. Today I'm unboxing my Similac Strong Moms box. So they sent this, I just signed up on their website, put a link down in the description, but this is what is included in their kind of welcome box, continuing with our other baby unboxing videos. So it kind of talks about how to get this. It says you can get coupons, earn 5 points for every coupon you use, and then if you reach 35 points you get a free formula, Similac, or it says you get $17 off as a coupon towards a powder can. Anyway, so now if we open this and just kind of see how the box is. It comes with the Similac Pro Advance, so it's closest to the breast milk, and this is an 8-ounce canister. And then it also comes with a Pro Total Comfort for delicate tummies, and this one's actually 7 ounces. It's gluten-free. Okay, so the Total Comfort is gluten-free, and the breast milk one is not. Oh, it is. It's just really small on there. I don't know if that's a concern for anyone, but something I look for in my food, so just figured I'd mention it for baby. So it comes with those 2 canisters, and then it looks like a lot of coupons here. So $15 off a purchase of $50 or more from Safety First. So like if you're baby proofing or anything, might be a good coupon. 50% off your first order from Shutterfly. I believe if you sign up now, they actually give you a free 8x8 Shutterfly book too, because I just got an email with that. So just something to keep in mind. It doesn't show in this box, but I did get at that as an email. $40 card for Sun Basket. So free shipping, 4 free gifts, and a $40 credit. It looks like a prepared meal kit. I haven't really looked at this yet. They can't guarantee that they'd be allergy free, so but still, good coupon if you're gonna do that. 12 gift cards, so it looks like $40 to 7baby, $35 to udder covers, or this kind of breastfeeding cover. $50 Canopy Couture, $35 towards breast pads. The belly button is $40, baby leggings $50. We flip it over, custom Snappies over here is $50, a nursing pillow is $40, little wanders $60, Ruffle Buns is $60, custom pacifiers is $30, and hooded towels is $35. These, I believe, actually basically can get free items then with these because they act like a gift card. However, I guess it acts like a coupon and a gift card, because I want to say you still have to pay for shipping most of the time. But still a really good deal. You get all these coupons. Carter's is more like a catalog included here, but it does have a 20% off coupon if you spend $40 or more. And then it just kind of shows you some of the stuff. And then you also get a 20% off $40 or more from Oshkosh. So a few more coupons. A free 8x10 print from JcPenny Portraits. Good for like a year from your due date. Also 40% off any other photography purchase. These might change by location, but that's what I have in my box so far. Also tells you about the app, and then it has Similac, like a feeding guide here. as well as how to prepare your formula, newborn nutrition, why use Similac, other helpful resources, and rewards. And then there's coupons inside, so it's $25 in coupons. So the first one is save $10 on any infant formula. The next one is $5, $5, and $5. All of these off infant formula. So if you do go with formula, that is $25 off if you use Similac. So, and I believe these are good. These ones are only good about 2 months after the due date, but I'm sure we would know within that time if we're going with formula or if we'll be supplementing with formula. So not quite as impressive as some of the other welcome boxes, but still definitely worth taking advantage of, since you don't really know, well, maybe you do. I'm first time, I don't really know if I will be able to breastfeed or not. So kind of a nice little package just to get you started. This is all free. You just have to sign up with your address and your email, and they will send you this. You don't have to make a purchase or anything. So if you want to check out some of our other baby freebies, I have the links down below, or you can check out the info cards up above. I suppose they'd probably be on this side if I'm mirrored. Either way, wherever the cards are, check those out. We also have blog posts detailing all of the freebies you can get, even ones that we don't have videoed yet. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe.